Hello kiddos! Today we will learn about vegetables name. Tomato. Tomato means tomato. Potato. Potato means aloo. Carrot. Carrot means gajar. Onion. Onion means pyaz. Broccoli. Broccoli means shah gobi. Lady finger. Lady finger means bhindi. Brinjal. Brinjal means bangan. Peas. Peas means matar. Cucumber. Cucumber means kheera. Lettuce. Lettuce means salad patta. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd means karela. Turnip. Turnip means shaljam. Cauliflower. Cauliflower means gobi. Garlic. Garlic means lehsun. Ginger. Ginger means adrak. Lemon. Lemon means limu. Spinach. Spinach means palak. Chili. Chili means mirch. Pumpkin. Pumpkin means kaddu. Coriander. Coriander means dhania. Mint. Mint means pudina. Capsicum. Capsicum means shimla mirch. If you like this video, share, like and subscribe.